start off so that I know we just had heavy lunch so that we can just warm up ourselves before that. Okay, I just want one volunteer from the back row. Anyone? Yeah. Kamraj, can you just volunteer? So what we are trying to do here is, you be there. So what we are trying to do here is, Kamraj is going to be blindfolded and he is trying to walk from there till the stage. So let's see how easy it is for him to walk till here. So Kamraj, I want you to turn, rotate thrice and then start walking.
Reverse also.
Okay, you can start walking. Slowly. Walk slowly. Okay, now any of the volunteer who wants to volunteer and help him can help him to bring him here. There is a table in the front.
Shall I bring him to stage?
Up also.
Okay. Kamraj, you can remove the blindfold. So, Ananya, I want you here. So, both of you just pick up these things. So, the first experience that you felt when as a volunteer you were helping Kamraj, whatever you felt, you just write 2 words, and Kamraj, when as a beneficiary, what did you feel? Just 2 words. You don't have to think so much. So, you saw those 2 words here. Now let's get back to my slide deck and see if at all I was very close to this somewhere. So, the words here were, so this was from the beneficiary saying thank you, and this was from the volunteer saying satisfied and happy. Okay, so what I'm trying to talk today is, I know volunteering is something that we come and do at free time and everything, but there are many people who want to passionately take it forward as a career for themselves. Like we saw many of us here who want to be very actively taking volunteering as a career. And for someone like me who is very passionate about building something, so I want to take it forward in something to do with business. Or business not always means like making money out of it. It is something to do with building something for yourself and living your legacy for the future. So what is when you think from a business perspective, one thing that I always want to see is your product making someone's life better? Is someone's life being better because of your product? If a product is solving a problem, or it could be any kind of product. So my product is I take people on treks. So when they go out there in the nature, they are there, that smile that comes on their face and that happiness that I see in them, that is mind-blowing. Okay, so when you're doing something to better someone's life, you're also under a lot of pressure and you're with too much of responsibility. Your responsibility is main thing to be there. So responsibility is not just taking care of someone or doing something unique for them or giving too much of attention. It is from individual, it goes wider into the nature. You want to be responsible when you're going on treks or something like that. What I do, we take care that we don't want to litter around too much, so that you are respecting nature. You are responsible for doing something good for the nature, not at the cost of destruction of something. So by being responsible, and from responsibility also comes when you're doing something where you're very closely related to someone, you sense some kind of an attachment towards someone. Okay, you start feeling like, okay, now that Anunya, he tried to help Kamraj. He feels like I should do this every day because I get that thank you and that one smile. Okay, so what I want to say here is, you can always be connected to someone, but it is not very healthy to be attached to someone or for something particularly. So if he gets attached to that one person, his wider goal of making life better for the whole society dies down. He is tied up for that one person or one particular thing. So that is where we also see about VFC. It is not tied down to one thing. It has got a wide spectrum. It has got around 17 causes. If Suren or if the founders had tied down to one particular cause, it would have not grown to be that big. So finally, what is the outcome of all these things? When I build a business which is really making someone's life better, my product is making someone's life better, and I'm responsible enough, I'm not doing any destruction to the nature, nor to anyone's life, and I'm not too attached to anything, but I'm connected to the rest of the world. I'm going along with the world. So what is the final outcome that I get? That is happiness and satisfaction. So that is the word we got here.
Oh.
I didn't bribe Anunai. So this just came out of that. And thank you is, of course, byproduct of the whole thing. So that's all I want to say. It's just like building business is not always making money. It is about bringing a lot of satisfaction and smiles around your customers. Thank you.